what I've learned through my lifetime, 66 years now, I've always lived by trying to figure things out as they come and trying to do the best that I can do and maybe a lot of people won't agree with this, but trying to do what I think God wants me to do with my life. It's a little bit of a philosophical question between God's will and man's will. God's desires for us and man's desires for themselves. And I hope that doesn't turn a lot of people off from what I'm doing, but I think that is the way I live my life. And that's the way I've always lived my life. No matter how screwed up I do things, no matter what wrong decisions and wrong choices I make, I still think about Him and try to do the best I can, believing in God. About 20 years ago, there was this movement. They used to make these bracelets and stuff. What would Jesus do? And I thought about that way before that ever happened. I might not always act on that belief, but in my heart, I know when I do something wrong and why I do things wrong. And it all boils down to my own human desires. From my experiences through a pretty long and difficult and screwed up lifetime, that I have screwed up a lot of things. But I've always, in my heart, tried to think about that and tried not to do it. And just because I didn't do it does not mean I'm a bad person. Does not mean you're a bad person. It just means that you're human. And all humans have that innate desire to do things for themselves and do what they think is right. But if you think hard and listen to your conscience and follow what that conscience is telling you, that is God speaking to you and God telling you to do the right thing. Even though we don't always do that, we a lot of times ignore that. But if we try just listening to that and try to follow that inner voice, God's will, things always turn out better. Like I said, that is something that I've struggled with all my life, and I barely get it right, maybe 10% of the time. But as I get older, that percentage rises. And all I can hope for in the end is that I do the right thing and be good to other people, love and cherish every moment of my life. And I hope you guys do the same thing. Just listen to yourself. Listen to God telling you what's the right thing. No matter if you listen to politicians in the government or the news or your favorite musical artist or actor or celebrity, they can steer you wrong. Even preachers and priests can steer you wrong if you don't listen to what's inside of you. And that's all I got to say about that.